Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Let's Conquer Maths. Today we solve practice set 1.3 of first chapter linear equation in two variables of math first. Let us see question number 3. Solve the following simultaneous equations using Cramer's rules. क्रॅमर्स रूल्स यूज करून आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिस सेट 1.3 मधले क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 मधले हे प्रॉब्लेम्स क्रॅमर्स रूल वापरून आपल्याला यूज करून आपल्याला सॉल्व करायचे आहेत. तर बघूया. यूजिंग क्रॅमर्स रूल. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल 3x - 4y = 10. 4x + 3y = 5. हे दोन्ही इक्वेशन्स एकाखाली एक लिहून घ्या. 3x - 4y = 10. 4x + 3y = 5. ह्या दोन्ही इक्वेशनमध्ये जे एक्सचे कोएफिशियंट आहेत फर्स्ट कॉलम, वायचे कोएफिशियंट सेकंड अँड कॉन्स्टंट नंबर थर्ड कॉलम. क्रॅमर्स रूलमध्ये आपल्याला dx dy कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे असतात. dx dyची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची असते. d फॉर 12, dx फॉर 32, dy फॉर 13. हे नंबर्स लक्षात ठेवा. याच्यावरती क्रॅमर्स रूलवरती मी एक व्हिडिओ अपलोड केलेला आहे, तो सुद्धा पहा, म्हणजे तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की उदाहरणं कशी सोडवायची आहेत. गिव्स द नंबर्स टू कोएफिशियंट्स कॉलम 1, 2 and 3. d for 12, dx for 32 and dy for 13. Now we find out the value of d. d for 12 means column 1 and 2. Column 1, 3, 4. 2 minus 4, 3 is equal to cross multiplication here. 3 into 3 minus -4 into 4. 3 into 3 9 minus plus. Here is multiplication into signs. 4 into 4 16 is equal to 16 plus 9 25. d is equal to 25. Now dx. dx for 32. 32 means column 3 and column 2. 3 and 2. First write down the column number 3. Numbers in column number 3. So 10, 5 and 2 minus 4, 3. Is equal to cross multiplication 10 into 3 minus -4 into 5. 10 into 3 minus -4 into 5. 10 3 जा 30 minus plus and 4 5 जा 20 is equal to 50. The value of dx is equal to 50. Now dy. dy means 13. Column number 1 and column number 3. Column number 1 3, 4, and column number 3, 10, 5. So write down here 3, 4, 10, 5. 3 into 5 cross multiplication. First 3 into 5 minus 10 into 40. 3 into 5 15 minus 10 into 4 40. 15 minus 40 is equal to 25. 40 minus 15, 25, and big number is 40, so sign is negative. dy is equal to minus 25. We calculate the dx and dy. Now we find out the value of x and y by Cramer's rule. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Dx is 50 and d is 25. 50 upon 25. 25 1 जा 25, 25 2 जा 50. X is equal to 2. dy is minus 25 and d is 25. Y is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 1. Solution is 2 minus 1. Next example, second example, 4x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to 8 minus 5y. क्रॅमर्स रूलने एक्झाम्पल्स सॉल्व करताना इक्वेशन मस्ट इन द फॉर्म ax plus by is equal to c. ax plus by is equal to c या फॉर्ममध्येच हे इक्वेशन्स असले पाहिजेत आणि जर ते नसतील तर आपल्याला या फॉर्ममध्ये ते आणायचे आहेत आणि मग नंतर क्रॅमर्स रूलने इक्वेशन सॉल्व करायचे आहेत. आता हे आपण 4x plus 3y plus हा -4 transfer on the right side is equal to 4. Now here 6x minus 5y transfer on left side, it becomes positive, plus 5y is equal to 8. 8 आहे तसाच राईट साईडला ठेवा, फक्त -5y हा लेफ्ट साईडला ट्रान्सफर करा. गिव्स द नंबर 1 2 3. d is equal to 12, dx is equal to 32 and dy is equal to 13. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, हे इथे लिहून घ्यायची गरज नाही आहे, फक्त तुम्हाला समजण्यासाठी मी हे 2-3 उदाहरणांना इथं आपण लिहिणार आहोत आणि नंतर तुमच्या एकदा लक्षात आलं की मग आपण इथं नंबरसुद्धा द्यायचे नाहीत, तर डायरेक्ट आपण सॉल्व करायचं आहे. आणि तुम्हीसुद्धा तशीच प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. नाऊ वी कॅल्क्युलेट फाइंड आउट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ डी. डी मीन्स कॉलम नंबर 1 and 2. 1, 2, 4, 6. कॉलमच लिहा म्हणजे इथं चुकणार नाहीत. 3, 5, 4, 6, 3, 5. आणि लिहिताना या 2 सेगमेंटमध्येच लिहायचे. बरेचसे विद्यार्थी 10वीच्या परीक्षा लिहिताना हे सेगमेंट इथे लिहित नाही. दिस इज द सिम्बॉल ऑफ डिटर्मिनंट. सो राईट डाऊन लाईक दॅट. याप्रमाणेच लिहायचं आहे. जर तुम्ही असं लिहिलं नाही तर इट इज रॉंग. सो राईट डाऊन ॲज दिस टाईप. 4 into 5 multiplication, cross multiplication. 4 into 5 minus 3 into 6. 4 5 जा 20 minus 3 6 जा 18. 20 minus 18 is equal to 2. D is equal to 2. dx means 32, means column number 3 and column number 2. Column number 3 is 4, 8 and column number 2, 3, 5. Four, 8, 3, 5. Cross multiplication. 4 multiply by 5 minus 3 multiply by 8. 4 multiply by 5, 3 multiply by 8. 4 5 जा 20 minus 3 8 जा 24. 20 minus 24. 24 minus 20 is 4 and 24 is big number. It has sign negative. So answer is negative. Minus 4. dx is equal to minus 4. Now dy. dy means 13. Remember the number 13. 1, column number 1 and column number 3. Column number 1, 4, 6 and column number 3, 4, 8. 4, 6, 4, 8. Cross multiplication. 4 into 8 minus 4 into 6. 4 8 जा 32 and 4 6 जा 24. 32 minus 24 is equal to 8. dy is equal to 8. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. dx is minus 4 and d is equal to 2. Minus 4 upon 2. Minus 4 upon 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4. x is equal to minus 2. Now we find out the value of y. dy is equal to 8. and d is equal to 2. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8. Y is equal to 4. Solution is xy is equal to -2. Next example, example third. X plus 2y is equal to -1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. हे इक्वेशन्स एकाखाली एक लिहून घ्या. x प्लस 2y इज इक्वल टू -1. 2x मायनस 3y इज इक्वल टू 12. आपण एकाखाली एक इक्वेशन्स लिहिल्यामुळे आपल्याला इथं कॉलम तयार करणं सोपं जातं. आपण इथे नंबर दिले तर आपल्याला dx dy मध्ये जे कॉलम आहेत ते कॉलम लिहिणं आपल्याला सोयीस्कर होतं किंवा कन्व्हिनियन्स होतं. म्हणून आपण या ठिकाणी हे इक्वेशन्स एकाखाली एक लिहून घ्यायचे आहे. आता यांना आपण नंबर दिले 1 2 3. d for 12, dx for 32 and dy for 13. Now find out the value of d. d is equal to 12. Column number 1 and 2. Column number 1, here is coefficient 1. 1 2. 2 minus 3. Cross multiplication 1 into -3, write in the bracket, minus 2 into 2. 1 into -3 minus 3 minus 2 into 2 4. Signs are same, so add this number. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 and sign is negative. d is equal to -7. dx means 32. Column number 3 and column number 2. Column number 3 -1 12 and column number 2 2 minus 3. Column number 3 -1 12 2 3. -1 12 2, here is -3, sorry, here it is -3. -1 into -3 minus 2 into 12, minus minus plus, minus 12 into 2 24, plus 3 minus 24, 3 minus 24. So 24 minus 3 is 21 and sign is negative. Answer is -21. dx is equal to -21. Now find out the value of dy. dy means 13. Column number 1 and column number 3. Column number 1 1 2 and 3 -1 12. 1 into 12 minus -1 into 2. 12 minus minus plus 1 into 2 2. 12 plus 2 14. dy is equal to 14. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Dx is equal to minus 21 and d is equal to minus 7. Minus 21 upon minus 7, minus minus cancel, 7 1 the 7, 7 3 the 21, x is equal to 3. Now y is equal to dy upon d. Dy is 14 and d is minus 7. Seven 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14. Y is equal to 7 is minus, so answer is minus 2. Solution is xy is equal to 3 minus 2. Next example, 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Solving the simultaneous equations by Cramer's rule, we need equation in the form of ax plus by is equal to c, and these equations are in this form. 6x minus 4y is equal to minus 12. 8x minus 3y is equal to minus 2. Use the number to column 1, 2 and 3. Remember this number: d for 12, dx for 32 and dy for 13. Now find out the value of d. D is equal to d for 12, column number 1 and 2. Column number 1, 6, 8, minus 4, minus 3. 6, 8, minus 4, minus 3. Cross multiply the number. 6 into minus 3 minus minus 4 into 8. 6 3 are 18 and signs are different, so multiplication is negative. Answer is negative. Minus minus plus. 4 8 are 32. Minus 18 and plus 32. Signs are different, so subtract the 18 from 32. Answer is 14 and big number is 32, so sign is positive. D is equal to 14. Find dx. Dx is equal to 32, means column number 3 and column number 2. Column number 3 minus 12 minus 2 and 2 minus 4 minus 3. First write column number 3, minus 12 minus 2 and 2 minus 4 minus 3. Here all numbers are negative, so solve carefully. minus 12 into minus 3, minus 12 into minus 3, minus 4 into minus 2. Minus minus plus, 12 3 are 36. This minus as it is. Minus minus plus, 4 2 are 8. 36 minus 8 is equal to 28. Dx is equal to 28. Find dy. Dy is equal to, remember, number 13, column number 1 and column number 3. Column number 1 6 8 and column number 3 minus 12 minus 2. Six 8 minus 12 minus 2. 6 into minus 2 minus 12 into 8. Always the negative numbers in the bracket. 6 2 is 12. Signs are different, so multiplication is negative. Minus minus plus. 12 8 is 96. So here different signs. So subtract 12 from 96. Subtraction is 84 and 96 is big number. His sign is positive, so answer is positive. Dy is equal to 84. Find the value of x and y. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. Dx is equal to 28 and d is equal to 14. Put the value. Dx is 28 and d is 14. 14 ones are 14 and 14 twos are 28. X is equal to 2. Now y. Find the value of y. Put the value of dy and d. Dy is 84 and d is 14. 84 upon 14. 14 ones are 14. 14 6 is 84. So y is equal to 6. Next example, 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. These equations are in the form of ax plus by is equal to c. So write down the equations. 4m plus 6n is equal to 54. 3m plus 2n is equal to 28. Remember the number d for 12. So we find the value d. 12 means column number 1 and column number 2. 4 3 6 2 4 3 6 2 cross multiplication 4 into 2 minus 6 into 3 4 2 जा 8 minus 6 3 जा 18 18 is not subtract from 8, so subtract the 8 from 18 18 minus 8 is equal to 10. Big number is 18, so answer is negative. D is equal to minus 10. Friends, here variables are m and n, so we calculate the dm and dn, not dx or dy. Here variable is m, so write dm is equal to dx for 32. So dm for 32. 32 means column number 3 and column number 2. 54, 28 and 6, 2. Take cross multiplication. 54 multiplied by 2 minus 6 multiplied by 28. 14 multiplied by 2, 108 minus 6 multiplied by 28, 168. Here also 168 is not subtract from 108, so 108 is subtract from 168. So subtraction is 168 minus 108 is 60, and big number is 168. His sign is negative, so answer is negative. dm is equal to minus 60. Next value dn. dy for 13, so dn for 13 means column number 1 and column number 3. Column number 1 is 4, 3 and column number 3 is 14, 28. Four, 3, 54, 28. Take cross multiplication. 4 into 28 minus 54 into 3. 4 into 28 multiplication is 112 minus 54 into 3 multiplication is 162. 162 is not subtract from 112, so 112 subtract from 162. Subtraction is 50 and big number is 162, so his sign is negative, so answer is negative. dn is equal to minus 50. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इथं व्हेरिएबल x आणि y च्या ऐवजी m आणि n वापरलेले आहेत, तर तुम्ही dx आणि dy च्या ऐवजी dm आणि dn कॅल्क्युलेट करा. त्यांची dm आणि dm ची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करा आणि त्यासाठी d for 12, dx here is dm, dx for 32, so dm for also 32, and dn means dy is 13, So remember this change. Now find the value of m and n. By Cramer's rule, x is equal to dx upon dm, here also m, and n is equal to dn upon d. M is equal to dm upon d and n is equal to dn upon d. dm is minus 60 and d is minus 10. So put the value of dm and d. Minus 60 upon minus 10. This negative sign cancel. 10 1 जा 10, 10 6 जा 60. So m is equal to 6. dn is minus 50. Put the value of dn and d. d is minus 10. Ten 1 जा 10, 10 5 जा 50. So n is equal to 5. Solution is mn is equal to 6 5. Next example, 2x plus 3y is equal to 2 and x minus y upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इक्वेशनमध्ये नेहमी एक्स आणि वायच वापरलेलं असतं, परंतु कधी कधी इतर व्हेरिएबलसुद्धा वापरतात. तर लिहिताना मागच्या उदाहरणामध्ये आपण बघितलं की तिथं एम आणि एन वापरलेलं होतं. तर तुम्ही व्यवस्थित लक्ष द्या. आता इथं एक्स आणि वायच आहे, पण मात्र कोएफिशियंट हे फ्रॅक्शन्स आहेत. तर त्याप्रमाणे या ठिकाणी थोडंसं केअरफुली तुम्ही हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करा. सो राईट द इक्वेशन्स. 2x plus 3y is equal to 2. x minus y upon 2 is 1 upon 2 y into y is equal to 1 upon 2. So coefficient is 1 upon 2 here. ax plus by is equal to c. या फॉर्ममध्ये इक्वेशन्स आहेत. So calculate the dx and dy. d is equal to, for d is equal to 12, column number 1 and column number 2. 2 here coefficient is 1, 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Take cross multiplication. 2 into minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1. Here 2 cancel, is minus 1, minus 3 into 1 minus 3. Minus 1 and minus 3 signs are equal, so add this number. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and answer is negative, so minus 4. d is equal to minus 4. Now dx. dx for 32. 32 column number 3 and column number 2. Column number 3 2 1 upon 2 and column number 2 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Two 1 upon 2 and 3 minus 1 upon 2. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन 2 into minus 1 upon 2 minus 3 into 1 upon 2. 2 into minus 1 upon 2 and 3 into 1 upon 2. 2 cancel. Minus 1 minus, here multiplication of fractions, multiply the 3 by 1. So 3 and 2 as it is. फ्रॅक्शनचे मल्टिप्लिकेशन करताना न्यूमरेटरने न्यूमरेटरला गुणा आणि डिनॉमिनेटरने डिनॉमिनेटरला गुणायचं असतं. इथं 1च आहे, सो इट इज ॲज इट इज. मायनस, हियर सबट्रॅक्शन ऑफ fractions, but denominator is not same. How to solve this? Minus 1 upon 1 minus 3 upon 2. Here denominator is 1, here denominator is 2. Denominator is not same, so cross multiplication minus 2 into 2 minus 2 minus 3 into 1 3 and 2 into 1 2. Cross multiplication is only at the numerator and denominator multiply the denominator. 1 multiplied by 2 2. Here sign is same. 2 plus 3 5 and sign is negative, minus 5 upon 2. dx is equal to minus 5 upon 2. Now find the value of dy. dy is 13. For dy विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, फ्रॅक्शनचा सबट्रॅक्शन करताना न्यूमरेटरने डिनॉमिनेटरला गुणा, पुन्हा न्यूमरेटरने डिनॉमिनेटरला गुणा. इथं क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन घ्या. फक्त न्यूमरेटरच्या जागीच क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन असतं आणि डिनॉमिनेटरला मात्र डिनॉमिनेटरने डिनॉमिनेटरला गुणायचं असतं आणि मग नंतर त्या ठिकाणी प्लस मायनस किंवा सम किंवा सबट्रॅक्शन हे साईननुसार ठरवून त्याप्रमाणे आन्सर काढा. नाऊ dy फॉर 13. कॉलम नंबर 1 and कॉलम नंबर 3. कॉलम नंबर 1 is 2 and 1 and column number 3 is 2 and 1 upon 2. So 2 1 2 1 upon 2. Take cross multiplication. 2 into 1 upon 2 minus 2 into 1. 2 cancel here. 1 minus 2 into 1 2. 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So dy is equal to minus 1. X is equal to dx upon d by Cramer's rule. X is equal to dx upon d and y is equal to dy upon d. So dx is minus 5 upon 2 and d is minus 4. Minus 5 upon 2 upon d is minus 4. Friends, here minus 2 upon 2 and minus 4 आहे. So how to calculate x is equal to minus 2 upon 2 divided by 4. So we can write divide 4 upon 1. Division of fractions चा जो रूल आहे तो या ठिकाणी वापरायचा आहे. This number is divided by this number 4 and 4 is we can write 4 upon 1. So minus 2 upon 1 division is changed in multiplication and reciprocal of this number 1 upon 4. So here multiplication of fractions, multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So minus 5 into 1 minus 5 and 2 into 4 8. Understand? Minus 5 upon x is equal to minus 5 upon 8. Now y is equal to dx dy upon d. dy is minus 1 and d is minus 4 is equal to minus 1 upon minus 4. Minus cancel. So y is equal to 1 upon 4. X is equal to minus 5 upon 8. So solution is xy is equal to minus 5 upon 8 and y is equal to 1 upon 4.